Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 12 divided by x minus 2 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression. Make sure to follow along closely and pause the video if needed to fully understand each step. Let's get started. To solve the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x minus 2 to its lowest terms, we begin by factoring the numerator. The numerator x squared plus 4x minus 12 needs to be expressed as a product of two binomials. To factor the expression, we look for two numbers that multiply to give us minus 12 and add to give us plus 4. These numbers are 6 and minus 2. Thus, we can rewrite the numerator x squared plus 4x minus 12 as x plus 6 times x minus 2. So now the expression is x plus 6 times x minus 2 all over x minus 2. At this point, we notice that the x minus 2 term in the numerator and the x minus 2 term in the denominator are the same and can be cancelled out. This simplifies our expression to x plus 6. To proceed with the next step in solving the problem of reducing the rational expression, we have reached a point where we have factored the numerator and rewritten the expression as x plus 6 times x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Now, we notice that x minus 2 in the numerator and x minus 2 in the denominator are identical terms and can be cancelled out. This cancellation is valid because it simplifies the fraction without changing its value. Thus, the expression simplifies to x plus 6. Since no further simplification is possible, this is the final step. The reduced expression in its lowest terms is x plus 6.